Good morning, dear students. Today we solve some important questions, surface area and volume. Next class we have already studied a formula, surface area, lateral surface area, total surface area and volume, and cuboid and cube. Today we solve some important questions. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Then find the cost of whitewashing the wall of the room and ceiling at the rate of 7.50 per meter square. Then एक रूम की जो है 4 वॉल एंड सीलिंग यानी उसकी छत पे वाइट वॉश जो है करवाने की कॉस्ट हमें फाइंड करनी है. Then the length, breadth and height are given. Solution. Length of a room L equal to 5 meter. Width of a room B equal to 4 meter. And height of a room H equal to 3 meter. L, B and H are given. Find the surface area of the wall of the room and the ceiling, for wall and chat ceiling, and 1 meter squares cost of whitewashing 1 meter square equal to 7.50 rupees. Then total cost of whitewashing for wall and ceiling. Find the value of the cost. So surface area of the wall of the room and the ceiling equal to 2HL plus B. Area of 4 wall plus the ceiling equal to length and breadth are given, then L into B. Put value L, B and H. 2 into H 3, multiply L plus B. L equal to 5 plus B equal to 4 plus L into B. 5 into B equal to 4. 2 3 ja 6 into 5 and 4 9 plus 5 4 ja 20. 9 6 ja 54 plus 20 equal to 70 unit meter square. Surface area of the 4 wall. Area of 4 wall of a cuboid of a room equal to 2 into height bracket L plus B plus the ceiling yani chat area of the ceiling equal to L into B. Then L equal to 5, B equal to 4, then 5 into 4 20. Then total surface area of the wall of the room and the ceiling equal to 54 and 74 meter square. Then find the cost of whitewashing the wall of the room and the ceiling at the rate of 7.50 per meter square. Then the cost of whitewashing washing 1 meter square equal to 7.50. 1 meter square equal to 7.50 rupees. Then total cost of whitewashing total cost of white total cost of white washing the wall. Total cost of white washing the wall and the ceiling. Ceiling of the room equal to 1 meter square 7.50, then 74 meter squares. Cost of whitewashing 74 into 7.50, 74 into पॉइंट हटाएंगे अपॉन में 10, 0 से 0 कैंसिल और 5 से 2, 5 से 15, 2 37, 37 into 15, 37 into 15, then multiply 37 into 15, 7 5 जा 35, carry 3, 5 3 जा 15 and 3 18, 7 1 3 जा 5 1 5 5 5 5, 5055 rupees. The cost of whitewashing the wall and the ceiling of the room equal to 555 rupees. Similarly, next question. Second question, the paint in a certain container the paint in a certain container is sufficient to certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square, and how many bricks of dimension 22.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container, out of this container. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 मीटर स्क्वायर, यानी कि एक कंटेनर है जिसमें पेंट है, वो पेंट 9.375 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया पर पेंट करने के लिए सफिशिएंट है. हाउ मैनी ब्रिक्स ऑफ डायमेंशन 22.5 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and L, B and H. Length 22.5, width 10 and height 7.5 centimeter can be printed out of this container. यानी ये जो एक कंटेनर है, इस कंटेनर से इतना 9.375 एरिया जो है वो पेंट किया जा सकता है, पेंट करने के लिए सफिशिएंट है। तो इस डायमेंशंस की कितनी ब्रिक्स जो है, हाउ मेनी ब्रिक्स पेंटेड आउट ऑफ दिस कंटेनर, इस कंटेनर से कितनी ब्रिक्स जो है वो पेंटेड की जा सकती है, पेंट की जा सकती है। सॉल्यूशन, लेंथ ऑफ ए ब्रिक, लेंथ ऑफ ए brick equal to L equal to 22.5 centimeter. Width of a bricks equal to 10 centimeter and height H equal to 7.5 centimeter. A bricks shape of cuboid, then L, B and H are given, then total surface area of bricks total surface area of one brick equal to 2 into LB BH HL. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL equal to 2 into L. 22.5 into 10 plus B 10 into 7.5 plus HL. H equal to 7.5 equal to 22.5. 2 equal to 22.5 का 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 225, 10 का 7 से करेंगे 75 प्लस 7.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 22.5 मल्टीप्लाई 7.5, 5 5 जा 25, कैरी 2, 5 2 जा 10 and 2 12, कैरी 1, 5 2 जा 10 and 11, 7 5 जा 35, कैरी 3, 7 2 जा 14 and 3, 17 7, कैरी 1, 7 2 जा 14 and 1, 15, 5 7 8 6 1, 2 digit 168.75, 168.75 equal to 225 plus 75 300, 300 and 168.75 468.75 equal to multiply to 5 2 जा 10, carry 1, 7 2 जा 14 and 1 5, 15 carry 1, 16 and 1 17, 7 carry 1, 6 2 जा 12 and 1 13, 3 carry 1, 4 2 जा 8 and 9, 2 digit, then 937.5 centimeter squares. A paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint and are equal to 9.375 मीटर स्क्वायर, यानी एक कंटेनर 9.375 मीटर स्क्वायर पेंट सिप करने में, एरिया पर पेंट करने में सफिशिएंट है। तो यहाँ हमें जो एरिया फाइंड किया है वो सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर में है, तो वी चेंज कन्वर्ट टू यूनिट मीटर स्क्वायर, देन 937.5 अपॉन 100 into 100, 1 meter square, 1 meter equal to 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, then centimeter square, then 100 into 100, 100 into 100 10,000, then 4 digit 5 7 3 9 0.0 meter square, 0.09375 meter squares. Required number of bricks, questions, how many bricks of dimensions can be painted? Then total surface area, a container sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375, then required number of bricks equal to 9.375 upon total surface area of one bricks equal to 0.09375. 9375 upon 0.09375. पॉइंट्स के बाद 1 2 3 4 5, देन 1 2 3 4 5 पॉइंट्स हटाएंगे तो एक के पीछे 5 जीरो और इधर 3 है तो अपॉन में 1000, देन 9375 टू 9375 कैंसिल एंड 3 जीरो कैंसिल इक्वल टू 100 bricks. Then 100 bricks of dimensions can be painted out of this one container, a container. Then required number of bricks equal to 100 bricks. Similar next question. A cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter and a cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter and another cuboidal box and another cuboidal box is 12.5 centimeter long. .5 centimeter long and 10 centimeter wide, and 8 centimeter high. And first question, which box has the greater lateral surface area? Which box has the greater lateral surface area? Greater lateral surface area, and by how much? And by and second, which box has the smaller total surface area and by how much? एक क्यूबिकल बॉक्स एंड एक क्यूबॉइडिकल बॉक्स है। क्यूबिकल बॉक्स की एड्स गिवन है 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड क्यूबॉइडिकल बॉक्स की लेंथ, ब्रेथ एंड हाइट आर गिवन। लेंथ 12.5 सेंटीमीटर, ब्रेथ 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड 8 सेंटीमीटर। Then which box has the greater lateral surface area and find the value of lateral surface area of cube and cuboid, then by how much, यानी कि दोनों में से किसका एरिया कितना अधिक है, by how much कितना अधिक है। which box the smaller total surface area and by how much, then solution edge of a cube A equal to 10 centimeter and length cubical box, edge of a cubical box and length of a cuboidal box L equal to 12.5 centimeter, B breadth equal to 10 centimeter and height H equal to 8 centimeter. Then which box has greater lateral surface area, then lateral surface area of a cubical box equal to 4a square, then 4 into value of a edge of a cubical box equal to 10, then 10 square into 4 into 100 equal to 400 centimeter squares. And lateral surface area of cuboidal box, lateral surface area of a cuboidal box equal to 2 into height into L plus B equal to 2 into value of H equal to 8 into L plus B, L equal to 12.5 plus B equal to 10, then 8 2 ja 16, multiply 12.5 into 22.5, then multiply 16 into 22.5 and 16. $360.0 360 centimeter square. Then which box has greater lateral surface area and cubical box lateral surface cubical box is greater than cubical box than lateral surface area, and how much, then 400 minus 360. 400 minus 360 equal to 40 meter squares, then 40 meter squares area is greater than cubical box. Second, which box has the smaller total surface area and how much, then first total surface area of a cubical box equal to formula 6a square, then 6 into value of a equal to 10 square equal to 6 into 100 equal to 600 centimeter square, and total surface area of a cuboidal box equal to formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL value 2 bracket L equal to 12.5 and B equal to 10 plus B 10 into 8 plus 8 into 12.5, then 2 into 12.5 का multiply 10 से 125 plus 80 plus 125 multiply 8, 12.5 multiply 8, then 100, then 2 into 125 and 100, 225 and 305, then 2 into G05 equal to 610 centimeter square. Then total surface area of cuboidal box is smaller. Which box has the smaller total surface area? Then cubical box total surface area is small, and by how much? So difference in the total difference in the total surface area of the two box, total surface area of the two box, difference in the total surface area of the two box, 600 minus 6 equal to 10 centimeter. Then which box has smaller total surface area, smaller cubical 600 centimeter square and cuboid 610 centimeter square, then smaller total surface area cubical, and by how much? Then difference in the total surface area of the two box equal to 10 centimeter square. Thank you.